Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by just spraying my hair. You want it to be nice and wet, just because especially if you have little baby hairs like I have bangs, so it's really hard to like put them down and not have them come out of the braid. So just make sure you spray a lot, and you also want to take some hair gel and then you're gonna add all over your hair, just for all your little baby hairs. Again, go wherever you have like the little baby hairs. And this also works if you have short hair. I know sometimes whenever you do a braid, it kind of comes off a little bit, so this is just gonna help for that not to happen. Next thing we're gonna need is a little comb like this. It doesn't have to be exactly this. You can even use a pen. It's just to do the line. So we're just gonna do a line like this, and then you're gonna put your hair back. And then we're gonna brush your hair just like that, just to make it nice and calm. And then we're gonna go ahead and take a section, so a small section from the top of the hair that you pulled out. So it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna split it in half. So you're gonna have two pieces technically, and then from this half right here, you're gonna split it in half, and then this side right here, you're gonna swing it under, and then you're gonna grab it on this side. You're gonna be left with this right here. So from this side, you're gonna do the same thing. Is you're gonna grab half of that, and then you're gonna bring it down, and then you're gonna put it with this. I know it sounds confusing, but once you do it a lot, you'll get the hang of it. So you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, bring it down, add it, but now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this side. So some hair from here, you're gonna grab some, and then you're gonna pull, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here, half, and then you're gonna add some hair. It doesn't necessarily need to be a lot, and then you're gonna do the same thing. So you're just gonna go ahead and keep repeating the same thing. So like I said, once you get the hang of it, it's gonna become super easy. So you're gonna grab more hair, and then you're gonna bring it down, grab it, and then I always like to use this finger to lift up the hair that I don't need. And you're gonna grab some hair, add it to that side, and then grab this hair and pull it. I always like to pull it just because I like my braid to be really tight. So grab some hair, add it, swing it down, grab some hair, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Grab some hair, pull it down, and then whatever's left, we're gonna go ahead and grab it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and do a regular braid. So just like a 3-strand braid, and you're just gonna do it all the way down. So you finish that, you're just gonna grab a little hair tie and then just tie it. Okay, so this is how your braid should turn out to be. Again, you can always keep going back to the beginning and then just practice until eventually you get the hang of it. At first, it was really hard for me as well, but like I said, practice and it will get so much easier. So now we're gonna go ahead and move over to this side. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it. I do have short hair, so I have bangs, as you can see. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and do another line here, just to section off my hair, and then whatever I don't use, I just push it back. You're gonna put it on this side over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did on the other side. So you're gonna start off by grabbing a little section on the top, and then I hope you guys can see this, but you're gonna go ahead and part it in the middle, so you have two small sections. So from this section, you're gonna bring it down this way, and then from this section, you're gonna split it in half and bring it down and add it to this side. So now we're gonna go ahead and start bringing it down, and then you're gonna grab some hair, add it to that section, pull this hair over here, bring this hair down, and add this from this section. So pull it down, let's see, grab some hair, and it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, because sometimes it looks cute messy, so don't worry about it being perfect. So bring it down, and then grab some hair, bring it down, grab some hair, grab some hair. So it's just, again, you just have to repeat everything over and over. And then you might want to start by doing this on someone else's hair. Like, that's what I did. I started practicing on like my mom, my sister. So just practice on someone else, and then eventually, once you become really good at it, you can do it on yourself. So then this is the last section. Grab it, and then we're just gonna go ahead and do a regular braid all the way down. Okay, so now that we finished, we're gonna go ahead and get a little elastic as well, and then you're just gonna go ahead and put that. It doesn't matter the color because it's gonna be hiding. It's your preference. So now that we have our two sections, this is how my braid looks for both sides. You can always do it from like right here all the way to this side, or you can do your hair in part in the middle, do it down. This is just my preference on how I like my hair to be. So now you're gonna go ahead and grab your hair up. If you have a little like pincita, it'll work way better. But I'm just gonna use my scrunchie to pull my hair up in a bun. So my hair is just up just to make it get out of the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab another elastics. So I have a little elastic here, and you're just gonna grab both of your braids and bring it back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just brought them together. And then you're gonna put the elastics around, just like that. Super easy. And then just pull it to make it really tight. We're gonna go ahead and take this bun out, just like that. And then you're gonna want to brush your hair. So brush, brush, brush. Okay, and this is the results. It's so cute. I love the way that it turned out. So this is my little braid here, as you can see, and it's super easy, you guys. I know in the beginning you might feel discouraged to not do it because, you know, it may seem like it's hard, but again, just practice and it will get really, really easy. You can practice on someone else first because I feel like that will be much easier. Once you get the hang of it, then you can go ahead and do it yourself, because you gotta be like this and it hurts your arms. But yeah, this is the way that my hair turned out. I really hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that you guys learn. Let me know if there's anything that I can do for my next videos for you guys to, you know, to make it more easier for you guys to learn. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!